Have you ever wondered why galaxy-themed bath bombs are so popular as gifts? There's just something magical about holding the little universe in your hands, colors swirling, stars sparkling, and then watching it all come alive in the water. But today, I'm showing you how I made these galaxy bath bombs in star shapes with my favorite fragrance. I'll give you lots of tips and inspiration if you're ready to create your own version. People give a star or galaxy bath bomb, it feels more than just like skincare. It's an experience. The colors, the shimmer, the fragrance, it makes a person feel like they've been gifted a little piece of magic. And I just love the scent in the bath. It's so relaxing and so comforting. I just want to stay in there all day long, but I know I can't. That's why there's such a hit for birthdays, self-care gifts, and even stocking stuffers. Bath bombs are an awesome way to celebrate the holiday season and special days for our loved ones. Okay, friends, we have a trick here. This is a lot of glitter. Okay, this is a really cool trick. Check this out. So you put the glitter right on here. That's probably a little bit too much, but that's fine. It'll come off. I'll just put it here. There. So then you take like a purple and you smush it out. So this is like the bottom or the top part of it, of the mold. And then press it down, and this is really cool. Watch this. So then, I already have the glitter there. That's all set. Add my mixture in. The blue, get the purple, a little bit of white. Do the little swirly swirl. Kind of gives it some little texture and stuff. Add in a little bit more white, add in a little bit more purple, blue, more purple. Okay, and then I'm not going to tamp that down. I'm going to make some little holes, and that just helps it float like in the tub, but it's alright if it doesn't. I'm over it. Sometimes they float, sometimes they don't. Has a lot of factors that depends on it. Then watch this. So you put this, oops, hold on, let me get rid of this. Put this down like this. And I flip this over. You have to match it, so it's a little bit tricky. Do it just right. Shake off the excess. Put it in my arbor press. And I have it off camera, but I'm showing you that I am pressing this. Well, actually, I'm not showing you. Okay, so you have to always tap it. And the sides. The sides, when you tap the sides, it just helps to release it. And that's with any of these 3D molds. So this is the top. Oh, crumbs. So you just press it if it's, my mixture is starting to dry out a little bit. So I'm just pressing it down. The star is really easy to work with. Press it up. And then I'm going to flip it over. I'll show you that. But I just want to show you this one. I'll have to bring it. Oh, isn't that cool? So let me see if I can show you. I don't want it to break. Be very careful. See the edges? Isn't that cool? Look at that. This one did it more. Look at that one. Isn't that cool? So that's doing that trick. This is a very easy mold to work with. Love it. All right. It's like painting with powder. You never know exactly how it will swirl in the water, but the surprise is half the fun. And sometimes they do sink to the bottom, but that's okay. It's the experience of the colors, the sparkle, and the scent. It's just divine. It's so relaxing. So this is the best part. Introducing Moonchild. This is a fragrance that I purchased from Brambleberry. This fragrance is a floral scent with a twist of grapefruit, bergamot, white tea, honey, and jasmine. It just smells like summer. It's fresh but mysterious, which fits perfectly with a galaxy theme, even though it reminds me of summertime, which is really nice here in New England, because during the snow season, I always want to think of summer. And those summer evening walks and just the stars in the sky, it's just beautiful. Pairing your scent with your design makes the bath bomb feel intentional, not random. That's what sets apart handmade gifts from mass-produced ones. So here I'm showing you mica dusting, I'm doing the stars, the glitter, and I'm not using any embeds today, but I did poke in some holes. These little details make the bath bombs feel extra special. Oh, the reason I poked the holes is to help it float, but it doesn't always float, but I'm trying. But so like a starry sky instead of just a ball of fizz. So by the way, did you know there's a real celestial object called 3-Eye Atlas? It was discovered flying through our solar system, almost like a cosmic traveler. I love science. Making these bath bombs is science, it's chemistry. That's kind of how I think with these bath bombs. Tiny galaxies that travel from my hands into yours. Yes, I'm talking about the solar system and the stars. So to answer the question, galaxy bath bombs are popular gifts because they're more than a bath product. They're a moment of wonder wrapped up in color, scent, and I love those sparkles. So if you love this, make sure to subscribe for more DIY bath and body inspiration, and check out my blog for more skincare and creative gift ideas. And if you love making shower steamers, or if you have problems with it, I do have an ebook. It's down on the shelf down below with a video, or you can just click on read more and it opens up the description box, and I have all my details there, plus more information and videos to enjoy. So I'll see you next time in the DIY rose gold bath bomb video. Bye for now.